Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your iPhone 16 Pro, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your iPhone 16 Pro. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Ringke Fusion X case in camo black for the 16 Pro. You can get this also for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. I will have the links in the description. Yes, I need to give Ringke a shout out for sending this case out to me for a review. I have been using the Fusion X cases for a long time now. It's actually one of my go-to cases that I use for all my devices that they actually make it for. And the camo black is probably one of my favorite combinations, you know, to get for this case. But like we normally do in my case reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Can your wireless charge? We also make sure you get camera protection, get lip protection for your display, the overall fit. Does your case add bulk? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. But nice packaging from them. Again, their slogan is live a better day. If you want to pause that, you can definitely do so. They have been adding this cushion in here now. I don't know if that's something new or what, but they've been adding this in there. They also have how to remove that and then a little Ringke sticker there. You control people with the Ringke sticker. Let's see if we can remove this. They don't have little tabs on here though. Alrighty, so I got the plastic film off. Look at this case. Again, look at the camera protection you get. I love the camera cutout. I love how precise it is. Bam. And then you get the same lip protection at the top and the bottom there. I wouldn't slam my phone down, but you do have that lip protection. Also, the power button is ridged. I love that too. So you know that is the power button. I don't want Apple News. Volume rockers are great. The ring button, the action button works great. The cutout for the camera button is there. It's easy to get to. You can zoom in and out and do your other functions without any problems there. Everything lines up at the bottom. And it just feels like you have some grip too on the back. And you have some grip here too. Now this camera cutout kind of adds a little bit of bulk. I mean, look at it there. Kind of sticks out a little bit more than your phone would do. And then same thing here, look at that corner protection there. So when you drop it, you're getting that corner protection that you are known for. But look at that. That looks so cool. I love the color combination on here. And it has the grip too. But it does definitely add some bulk around the camera cutouts. I would be lying to y'all to say it doesn't add some bulk around there. Now, this one does not have MagSafe. They have a Fusion case that will have MagSafe on it, but this one does not have MagSafe. Look, no MagSafe on the Fusion X. They do have the Fusion cases with MagSafe on there, just not this Fusion X one, which I'm okay with. Can you wireless charge? Yes, you can wireless charge without any issues. As you can tell there, it's wireless charging with no issues. So this case here checks off a lot of boxes, but before we do that, let's see the overall fit. Pretty snug at the top, a little loose around the bottom, but not much. Again, the sides, you can pull them apart, but I'm not gonna be that picky. Let's see, getting it off. You can hear that snap to get it back on there. So they fit pretty good. Overall, the fit is good. No complaints there. But let's wrap it up. It does check off a lot of boxes for you. I love the design of it. I love the camera protection there, even though it does add some bulk. As you can tell, You get good lip protection. The buttons are great. I love how the button is ridged, the power button is. Volume rockers and the action button felt good. The camera button there, it's open. I'm kind of used to people doing it open now, so it's not a big deal. Everything lines up at the bottom. The only thing that people will complain about with this Fusion X here is it doesn't have MagSafe. But if you have MagSafe, it will take away from the beauty of the case too. So this is the sacrifice you have to do if you want a great looking case with the camo design in there. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 16 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.